Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on Assistive Touch on screen button on the iPhone running iOS 15. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Accessibility. So tap on Accessibility, then go down and tap on Touch. Next, tap on Assistive Touch, and then tap on Assistive Touch Switch to switch it on. Instead of Assistive Touch allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. So once you tap on the buttons, you can do things like tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. You can tap on device, then you can lock the screen. You can use for volume up or volume down key. So this button here are quite useful if your volume button is broken or your home button is broken. And there are other things as well that you can use. If you tap on the more button, you can see there are more features in here as well. And that's it. So that's how you can turn on Assistive Touch on the iPhone running iOS 15. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.